Unveiling the wellness wonders, the hidden benefits of olive leaf tea for overall health. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Healthism, the go-to destination for all things health and wellness. Today we have an exciting topic on the agenda, the incredible benefits of olive leaf tea for overall health. Yes, you heard it right, we're diving deep into the world of this underrated herbal infusion that might just become your new health elixir. So, grab a cozy seat, a warm cup of olive leaf tea, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Before we jump into the plethora of health benefits, let's start with the basics. What exactly is olive leaf tea? Well, it's a beverage made from the leaves of the olive tree, the same tree that gives us those delicious olives and olive oil. But, did you know that the leaves are a treasure trove of nutrients and health-boosting compounds? The nutrient powerhouse. Olive leaves are rich in antioxidants, polyphenol, and flavonoids. These powerful compounds are known to combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging and various diseases. So, by sipping on olive leaf tea, you're essentially giving your body a dose of nature's very own protective shield. Immune system boost. Now, let's talk about the immune system. A robust immune system is crucial for overall health, and olive leaf tea has been linked to immune-boosting properties. The antioxidants in the tea help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms, making it more resilient against infections and illnesses. Cardiovascular health. Heart health is another area where olive leaf tea shines. Research suggests that it may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These effects can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart diseases. It's like giving your heart a little love with every sip. Managing diabetes. For those dealing with diabetes, olive leaf tea might be a game changer. Some studies indicate that it could help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally in the management of diabetes. Of course, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider, but the promising findings are certainly intriguing. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and olive leaf tea boasts anti-inflammatory properties. It can be a soothing balm for conditions like arthritis and may contribute to overall joint health. So, if you're looking for a natural way to ease inflammation, olive leaf tea could be a welcome addition to your routine. Digestive wellness. Let's shift our focus to the digestive system. Olive leaf tea has been linked to promoting a healthy gut. The antioxidants in the tea may support a balanced gut microbiome, aiding digestion and potentially alleviating issues like bloating and indigestion. Mental clarity and cognitive health. Now, let's talk about the brain. Olive leaf tea contains compounds that may have neuroprotective effects. Some studies suggest that these compounds could support cognitive function and potentially protect against age-related cognitive decline. It's like giving your brain a sip of vitality. Beauty benefits. Beauty enthusiasts, listen up. Olive leaf tea isn't just a treat for your insides, it can do wonders for your skin too. The antioxidants in the tea may help combat free radicals, promoting a radiant and youthful complexion. It's a beauty secret that starts from within. Now that we're thoroughly convinced of the benefits, let's talk about how to incorporate olive leaf tea into your daily routine. To make olive leaf tea, follow these simple steps. Use fresh or dried olive leaves. Ensure they are clean. Wash fresh leaves thoroughly. Boil an adequate amount of water in a pot. Place olive leaves into the boiling water. Reduce heat and let leaves simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow flavors and nutrients to infuse into the water. Remove leaves by straining the tea. Sweeten with honey or add lemon if desired. Pour into a mug and savor the taste and health benefits. Refrigerate any leftover tea for a day or two. Reheat when needed. And there you have it, folks, the hidden benefits of olive leaf tea for overall health. From immune support to heart health, this humble herbal infusion packs a punch. So, the next time you're sipping on a cup of tea, consider making it olive leaf tea for a wellness boost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our health and wellness discoveries. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies. Cheers to your well-being.